I think the most difficult phase was when I was 21, or I had a slip disc at that time. That's my first slip disc I had, and I went to the best doctors in the world. और उन डॉक्टर्स ने कहा था मुझे कि आई कैन नॉट बी एन एक्टर, आई शुड नॉट बी एन एक्टर बिकॉज माई बैक इज़ द शेप, द जेनेटिक्स इज़ सो बैड कि अगर मैंने जंप किया या डांस किया देन इन मैटर ऑफ 3-4 years आई माइट बी under the knife, and then 50 chance whether I'll be on a wheelchair or not, and so all that.
Well, I have a bit of a problem. I have a hole in my brain right now. So the doctors have asked me not to jump, but I still can do this. When I was a teenager, there are so many questions that come to mind. Who here wants to be great in life? And how does greatness come? Does it come with money? Does it come with fame? What does it come with? How does it come? But the one thing that will make you great in your life, beyond money, beyond strength, beyond anything else, is your character. Know who you are. Walk your path. Know your truths. Character. That is what will make you great in whatever you do in your life. And remember that status in the world is not defined by what work you do, but by how well you do it. It doesn't matter what you do. Whatever you do it great. And that will show your character to the people around you.
I have sometimes felt that life is very unfair. जब मैं स्कूल में था तो मेरा जो स्टैमर है वो इतना ख़राब था कि आई कुड नॉट इवन स्पीक. उसके वजह से आई नेवर हैड एनी फ्रेंड्स, नेवर हैड एनी गर्ल फ्रेंड्स. आई वॉज वेरी वेरी शाई. आई यूज्ड टू कम बैक फ्रॉम स्कूल से आके मैं रोता था. उसके ऊपर डॉक्टरों ने कहा कि आई कांट बिकम एन एक्टर बिकॉज मेरी जो पीठ है, द स्पाइन इज, आई हैड स्कोलियोसिस. तो डॉक्टरों ने कहा कि यू कांट डांस, यू कैन नॉट जंप. तो आई वॉज सो ब्रोकन कि मैं महीनों के लिए मैं उठता था सुबह और आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि इट इज़ अ ड्रीम, like a lucid dream where you feel as if it is true. And I used to wake up and I used to feel as if it is a dream, and it was so real. And then I used to realize कि oh my God, it is actually real. तो इतना heart breaking होता था for me to wake up every morning and to relive as if I'm finding out for the first time that in my life I cannot become an actor. I cannot do this. I am disabled.
Sometimes acting gets very difficult. You have a difficult scene. You have to emote, or you have to entertain. Or it's a really long scene and you're really tired, or etc. Sometimes when I'm dancing, the dance steps are so intricate. What I enjoy the most is when it gets difficult, whether it's dancing or whether it's acting. When it gets difficult, I know this is my access point to growth. If I can surpass this, then I will become a better man, a wiser man, a stronger man. Because it's as they say, the motto that I live by is, the finest steel must go through the hottest fire.
तो एक साल के लिए when I was 20, I think I was 21, when I was sitting with the doctor and the doctor said all this. और मैं उनके सामने बैठा हूँ, मेरे मॉम है मेरे साथ में, और मैं हंस रहा हूँ और मैं रो रहा हूँ और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि but I really want to do this, I want to be an actor. And he just flat out said no, you should not. उसके बाद एक साल के लिए I didn't do anything. फिर एक साल के बाद on that same exact day जब उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि you can't be an actor, I just woke up and I decided that if I'll one day become 50 years old and not know कि मुझ में did I have it to be an actor. I will never know. I want to find out. So I just woke up and I decided and I just went for it.
So it was very traumatizing for a I was very young. I was 21 years old. And लेकिन अब जब मैं पीछे मुड़ के जब मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि यार थैंक यू, आई थैंक गॉड कि थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी द प्रॉब्लम वेयर आई कुड learn how to be strong. I could learn what is willpower. I could learn what is persistence and perseverance, discipline. ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने सीखी हैं, that is come because of that problem. अगर वो problem नहीं होता, if I did not have a broken spine or a speech impediment, तो मैं ये सब चीज़ें मैं सीखता ही नहीं. तो हर चीज़ का एक सेंस है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि for the day to be there, you have to have the night, or you want to have the brightest day, you have to maybe have the darkest night. So everything makes sense. इसलिए आज जब when I see a situation जहाँ पर मेरे माइंड में अगर confusion है या डर है मुझमें या किसी चीज़ की uncertainty है, struggle है, pain है, मैं खुश हो जाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि यार इसके थ्रू अब मैं क्या सीखूंगा. आई एम गोइंग टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू. व्हाट इज लाइफ ट्राइंग टू टीच मी नाउ. तो मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ जो है वो है क्यूरियोसिटी. मैं उसके वजह से मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स के वजह से मैं एक बहुत ही क्यूरियस सोल हो गया हूँ. वेयर जब मुझे प्रॉब्लम्स जब आती हैं तो इट बिकम लाइक अ गेम.
Right now, every day is a happy day. Every day is a happy day because 35 years if you've lived, or 37 years you've lived, I think it is enough time to understand that life is up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Once you understand that कि अभी मतलब इतने साल मैं जी के, if I don't understand this, then I'm a stupid man. So when you know that it is up and down, when you're down you should not worry because it is going to go up again. So every day is a happy day, whether I have problems or not. The idea is to keep movement, you know. If you're static when you're down, if you're static and you're tensed and you're depressed and you're just sitting, your life will just end. You have to keep moving, you know. Even if you're sitting, your mind has to move. You can read, you can just find out information, or just keep yourself motivated or something. Just keep moving, you know. Take the initiative. I think is the most important word in my life. Initiative. You have to take that first step. Most people want something but get afraid of, or they don't know how to take that first step. I think that is the most important word in my life, initiative. You have to take that first step and then everything will sort itself out.
Be givers in life. Don't wait for people to show you love. Give love first. Trust me on this. Be contributors, and whatever you want in your life will come to you automatically. Give first.
जब भी ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आई है where I have felt stuck, felt struggle, felt confusion, pain, मैंने अपने आप से हमेशा एक सवाल पूछा है कि how do I make my story the greatest story ever told. ऐसा नहीं है कि I think my story will be the greatest story actually, but ये मेरे लिए मैं पूछता हूँ कि मेरा जो मिशन है, माई मिशन इज टू लीड अ गुड लाइफ. और लाइफ ऐसी चीज़ है दैट विल ऑलवेज ब्रिंग यू थिंग्स टू चैलेंज दैट, एंड उसी में ग्रोथ है. यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट कि यू हैव टू look at those challenges with a positivity, क्योंकि उन challenges के through ही you get growth. So मैं अपने आप को पूछता हूँ कि what I must do right now. मैं जहाँ पर भी हूँ, जो भी chapter से मैं गुजर रहा हूँ, how do I make, what do I have to do? What would somebody who is a champion, somebody who is a fighter, somebody who is a strong person, what would that person do? And then I do it. How do I make my story a great story? और हर एक great story के लिए सबसे important chapter are the chapters where you are feeling down, you're feeling low, you're feeling broken, you're feeling confused, or you don't know what to do. पेन सच्चाई है, तो सैडनेस जो है, जो हर्ट है, जो पेन जो आपके दिल में है, वो सब एक जगह है एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी रियल, यू रियली फील दैट। बट उसके साथ साथ आई कैन ऑल्सो होल्ड दिस अदर थॉट कि यार ये पेन तो है, लेकिन यार मैं कुछ सीख पाऊँ, देखते हैं मैं इस बार मैं क्या सीखूंगा, हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू शेप माई कैरेक्टर। और मैं बढ़ता हूँ फिर उसके उस पर आई वॉक टूवर्ड्स इट विद अ स्माइल, समथिंग मेक्स मी स्माइल। और हर बार मैं सीखता हूँ कुछ, हर बार आई कम आउट स्ट्रॉन्गर।